World's first 3D printed rocket engine by India. Will India lead the space race? In an era where space exploration is marked by groundbreaking advancements, Agnikul Cosmos, a Chennai-based aerospace startup, is poised to etch its name in history. The company, specializing in satellite launch vehicles, is gearing up for a trailblazing mission featuring the world's first 3D printed rocket engine by the end of 2023, as per news reports of November 28, 2023. This endeavor not only symbolizes a technological milestone but also reflects the collaborative spirit between private entities and the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. To appreciate the significance of this imminent achievement, let's embark on a comprehensive journey through Agnikul's innovative Agniban rocket, the groundbreaking agniled engine, and the broader landscape of private partnerships in India's space projects. Hi friend. Welcome to SciTech Buzz channel. Please remember to subscribe to this channel after viewing this video. Kindly watch this until the end in order to receive all the details of this interesting video. Historical context. The emergence of private partnerships in India's space ventures is a recent phenomenon, signaling a paradigm shift in the nation's approach to space exploration. ISRO, a trailblazer in the field, has actively encouraged collaboration with private enterprises to foster innovation and competitiveness. The incubation of Agnikul Cosmos at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, aligns with this vision, following the successful launch of the Vikram S by Skyroot Aerospace in November 2022. The stage is set for Agnikul to further propel India into the forefront of aerospace innovation. The Agniban rocket. At the core of Agnikul's aspirations is the Agniban rocket, a testament to the company's commitment to redefining the norms of satellite launch vehicles. What sets Agniban apart is its distinctive vertical launch approach, diverging from the conventional sounding rockets launched from guide rails. CEO Srinath Ravichandran elucidates that Agniban will ascend vertically, adhering to a predetermined trajectory while executing precise maneuvers during flight. This marks a departure from traditional sounding rockets, which are typically employed for upper atmospheric research and space exploration. Agniban, categorized as a suborbital technological demonstrator, sorted, is a single-stage launch vehicle offering unparalleled customizability. With the capability to transport payloads of up to 300 kilograms to orbits approximately 700 kilometers high, Agniban facilitates plug-and-play configurations tailored to the specific satellite being launched. This adaptability positions Agnikul as a front-runner in providing tailored solutions for a diverse range of satellite payloads. Propellant system and resizing capabilities. A pivotal aspect of Agnikul's innovation lies in its propellant system and resizing capabilities. Departing from the traditional use of solid propellants, Agniban employs liquid propellants, a strategic move that enhances safety and enables reusability. The ability to configure launch vehicles based on payload or satellite size is a game-changer, departing from the fixed-capacity approach of traditional rockets. This resizing flexibility is crucial in catering to the evolving needs of the rapidly expanding satellite industry. The agniled engine. The heart of Agniban beats with the agniled engine, a groundbreaking achievement that stands as the world's first single-piece 3D printed engine, entirely designed and manufactured in India. This remarkable feat was realized through successful test firing in early 2021, marking a significant milestone for 3D printing technology in the country. Traditionally associated with medical applications such as hip implants, 3D printing technology's foray into the aerospace realm showcases the versatility and transformative potential of this cutting-edge manufacturing technique. The agniled engine, with its 3D printed structure, embodies Agnikul's commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. This engine, with its successful integration into the launch vehicle, not only demonstrates the technical prowess of Agnikul but also underlines the company's dedication to homegrown technologies that can compete on the global stage. Private-public collaboration. Agnikul's journey from concept to the cusp of a historic launch involves collaboration with ISRO, a partnership that exemplifies the synergies between the public and private sectors. CEO Srinath Ravichandran affirms that the launch vehicle, poised at the launch pad, is awaiting final reviews with ISRO before takeoff. The collaborative model, where private startups work hand-in-hand with established space agencies, not only accelerates the pace of innovation but also fosters a robust ecosystem for the growth of the aerospace industry. Ravichandran emphasizes the complexity of the launch vehicle, underlining the critical importance of achieving success on the first attempt. This commitment to perfection aligns with ISRO's reputation for precision and reliability in space missions. The collaboration between Agnikul and ISRO represents a microcosm of India's larger vision for space exploration, a vision that embraces innovation, collaboration, and a pioneering spirit. Market impact and future prospects. Agnikul's target market encompasses entities developing small satellites for low Earth orbit, reflecting the growing demand for compact and efficient satellite launch solutions. The successful demonstration of Agniban's capabilities is poised to make Agnikul India's second private company to develop a small satellite launch vehicle, a testament to the company's potential to disrupt the traditional space industry. As the global demand for satellite launches continues to soar, Agnikul's innovative approach positions it as a key player in the evolving landscape. The company's commitment to customization, safety, and reusability aligns with the industry's shift toward sustainable and cost-effective space exploration. Agnikul's success in this endeavor is not merely a triumph for the company but a stride towards positioning India as a formidable player in the global aerospace industry. The 3D Printing Rocket Factory. Agnikul's 3D printing rocket factory serves as the nerve center of its innovative endeavors, featuring a state-of-the-art metal 3D printer from EOS, alongside other advanced machinery. This facility, strategically located at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, represents a paradigm shift in rocket engine manufacturing. The end-to-end manufacturing capabilities within a single facility showcase the efficiency and precision of Agnikul's operations. The incorporation of 3D printing technology in rocket manufacturing not only accelerates the production process but also offers a level of precision and customization that was previously unimaginable. Agnikul's investment in cutting-edge technology positions it at the forefront of the aerospace industry's transformation, setting a new standard for manufacturing practices. New era in space exploration. As Agnikul Cosmos propels towards aerospace history with the world's first 3D printed engine, India's space narrative takes a monumental leap forward. The fusion of cutting-edge technology, private innovation, and collaboration with established space agencies positions India as a trailblazer in the global aerospace arena. Agnikul's journey, from a startup incubated at IIT Madras to the cusp of a historic launch, exemplifies the power of public-private partnerships in driving innovation and shaping the future of space exploration. The year 2023 promises to mark a pivotal moment in India's space odyssey, with Agnikul Cosmos at the forefront of this transformative journey. Beyond the technological achievements, Agnikul's success underscores the potential of India's private aerospace sector to compete on a global scale. As Agnikul prepares to soar into the skies with the Agniban rocket and the groundbreaking agniled engine, it carries with it a vision that extends beyond individual achievements. It reflects a commitment to ushering in a new era of aerospace exploration, where innovation, collaboration, and sustainability converge. Global significance of Agnikul's endeavor. The global aerospace community is closely watching Agnikul's endeavors, recognizing the transformative potential of the world's first 3D printed engine. The successful integration of 3D printing technology in rocket manufacturing not only highlights Agnikul's pioneering spirit but also opens doors for a more efficient and scalable approach to space exploration globally. As other countries grapple with the challenges of rocket development, Agnikul's success could serve as a blueprint for future endeavors. Moreover, the 3D printing rocket factory's capabilities showcased the adaptability and resilience of Agnikul's operations. The state-of-the-art metal 3D printer from EOS, alongside other advanced machinery, not only streamlines the manufacturing process but also positions Agnikul as a leader in embracing cutting-edge technologies for the advancement of aerospace engineering. Revolutionizing the satellite launch industry. Agnikul's strategic focus on the burgeoning market for small satellites reflects a nuanced understanding of the evolving needs of the satellite launch industry. As communication and imaging satellites become more compact and specialized, the demand for flexible and customizable launch solutions has soared. Agnikul's Agniban, with its suborbital technological demonstrator configuration, offers an unprecedented level of customizability, allowing it to cater to a diverse range of payloads. The reusability and safety enhancements brought about by the use of liquid propellants in Agniban further contribute to the company's competitive edge. This approach aligns with the global trend toward sustainable space exploration practices, emphasizing the importance of minimizing environmental impact and increasing the longevity of launch vehicle components. Agnikul's impact on India's aerospace landscape. Beyond the technological marvels and global implications, Agnikul's success holds significant implications for India's aerospace landscape. The country, known for its achievements in space exploration through ISRO, is now witnessing the emergence of a vibrant private aerospace sector. This sector, spearheaded by innovative startups like Agnikul, is contributing to India's reputation as a comprehensive player in the global space arena. The collaboration between Agnikul and ISRO is a shining example of how public and private entities can synergize their efforts for mutual benefit. ISRO, with its wealth of experience and resources, provides a supportive ecosystem for startups like Agnikul to thrive. In return, these startups inject dynamism, agility, and cutting-edge technology into the space program, fostering an environment of continual innovation. Challenges and opportunities ahead. While Agnikul stands on the precipice of a historic achievement, the aerospace industry, by nature, presents an array of challenges. The delicate balance between innovation, precision, and safety is paramount. The upcoming test flight and subsequent orbital launch in 2024 will serve as crucial milestones, providing valuable data and insights that can shape the future trajectory of Agnikul's endeavors. The global space industry is a highly competitive arena, and Agnikul's success will hinge not only on technological prowess but also on its ability to navigate regulatory frameworks, international partnerships, and evolving market dynamics. However, with the resilience demonstrated thus far and the strategic collaborations in place, Agnikul appears well positioned to navigate these challenges and seize the myriad opportunities that lie ahead. Looking ahead, a pivotal year for Agnikul Cosmos and Indian aerospace. As Agnikul Cosmos readies itself for the imminent test flight, the year 2023 unfolds as a pivotal chapter in the annals of Indian aerospace history. The success of this mission will not only elevate Agnikul to the echelons of space exploration pioneers but will also cement India's position as a key player in the global aerospace industry. The journey from the halls of the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, to the launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Centre is emblematic of India's transition from a spacefaring nation to an aerospace powerhouse. The collaborative efforts of Agnikul and ISRO exemplify the symbiotic relationship between public institutions and private enterprises, creating a tapestry of progress that extends beyond national borders. Conclusion. In conclusion, Agnikul Cosmos stands at the intersection of innovation, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. The impending launch of the Agniban rocket, featuring the world's first 3D printed engine, is not just a technological marvel but a testament to India's capabilities and aspirations in the aerospace domain. The success of Agnikul will reverberate globally, inspiring a new generation of aerospace enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and engineers. As the countdown to the historic test flight ticks away, the anticipation and excitement encapsulate the collective hopes and dreams invested in Agnikul's journey. The year 2023 is destined to be etched in the memories of space enthusiasts and industry observers alike, marking a transformative moment where India's private aerospace sector takes center stage. In the years to come, Agnikul Cosmos has the potential to shape the trajectory of space exploration, contributing not only to India's legacy in space but also to the global narrative of human endeavors beyond our planet. The fusion of innovative technology, strategic collaborations, and a pioneering spirit embodied by Agnikul is a beacon illuminating the path toward a future where the boundaries of aerospace exploration are continually pushed and redefined. Stay tuned for further developments on this project. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.